Got a traffic ticket in Dallas? This is the full walkthrough, every step to dismiss it and keep it off your record using Dallas Municipal Court as our example. We'll cover your two options, who qualifies, the cost, and the strict deadlines Dallas is known for, because miss one and you lose the option. Dallas gives you two ways to dismiss a ticket. Option 1, a driving safety course. Take a 6-hour class and it's dismissed. Option 2, deferred disposition. The court delays any finding of guilt, and if you meet the conditions, the case is dismissed. Both keep it off your record. Most people use the course, so let's walk that path. First, the gates, and a deadline most people miss. You need a valid Texas license and insurance, no course in the last 12 months, and no CDL. It's out for 25 or more over, 95 plus, a stopped school bus, or a work zone with workers. And here's the Dallas catch. You have to request the course within 21 days of your citation, or the fee goes up or the option disappears. Step 1. Get your request in within those 21 days. You can apply online anytime, or by mail or in person with your license, proof of insurance, and the court fee. Pay by check or money order if you mail it, never cash. And don't just pay the ticket online, because paying is a guilty plea that kills the dismissal. Step 2. Wait for written approval. Dallas mails its response in about 5 to 7 business days, and you must not enroll in or finish a course before it arrives. If you do, the court can revoke the option entirely. So sit tight until that letter comes. The cost: Dallas's court fee is $144, or $169 in a school zone with a small convenience fee if you apply online. On top of that, the course itself is about $28 and a certified driving record is about $12. Step 3. Once approved, take a TDLR-approved 6-hour course. You get exactly 90 days from your approval date. And Dallas is blunt that there are no extensions under any circumstances, so don't wait. Road Ready Safety is $28, fully online, with an instant certificate when you finish. Step 4. Dallas wants 3 documents: your signed course certificate, a certified Type 3A driving record from DPS, and the affidavit the court mails you, notarized. One important quirk: Dallas takes these by mail or in person only, no email, no fax. And everything has to be in on or before day 90. Here's why Dallas trips people up. The deadlines are hard. 21 days to request, 90 days to finish, and the court means it. No extensions? Ever. So build in a buffer, don't mail on day 90, and remember that after your deadline, it can take a judge 4 to 6 weeks to review and close the case. Hit those deadlines and the ticket's dismissed. No conviction, no insurance hit. And if you were stopped in Irving, Garland, Mesquite, or another Dallas area city, the same steps apply at that court. See if you qualify and start at roadreadysafety.com/Texas/Dallas.